Hi, today I'm making a tropical roasted pecan cheese ball. This thing is really good. So we're going to begin with pecans, cream cheese, bacon, as well as red bell pepper and extra sharp cheddar cheese, crushed pineapple, as well as fresh green chives. So this is a treat to have all of these ingredients. But we're going to begin by preparing our bacon. I actually only used about a half a cup of bacon, but I was making bacon for breakfast, so I just thought I'd include that. You want to fry the bacon until it's really crispy, right? Because what you're going to do is cook the bacon until it's nice and crisp, and then you're going to chop it up into bacon bits and just set that aside. Well, next we're going to toast our pecans. And so I've placed them in an oven at 350 degrees, and I'm using a cup of pecans here. I've done half pecans because I like to cut them up afterwards. You're going to cook them for at least 10 minutes, right? Until you start to sort of smell them. They taste amazing. Roasted pecans are some of the best tasting items for this kind of cheese ball. Next, you're going to chop up your pecans. You want to chop them up fine. Set those aside while we prepare all of the ingredients. So this is 1/8 of a cup of very finely chopped red bell pepper, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple, as well as, like I said, this broke down to about a half a cup of bacon when it was chopped. And I only used a 1/4 cup of the chopped bacon and used the rest for something else. I have 2 teaspoons of finely chopped chives and 1.5 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese. To this, we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of the roasted nuts. I just threw those in there as well because I like them. You don't have to, but I like that. And then I used a teaspoon and a half of garlic powder and just combined all of my ingredients, right? If you know, everything should be room temperature, and you just mix it well until everything is well combined. Now, if you don't like a lot of garlic, you can cut back to a teaspoon or even a half a teaspoon. There's enough flavors in this particular recipe that it's fine. It's really your taste. Next, I'm going to go ahead and form my cheese ball and then roll it into the remaining chopped pecans, right? So I think I ended up adding a few more here, but I'm just going to form it into a ball. You could form it into a log if you like. It's really your choice. And then just roll it until it's covered in the roasted pecans. From there, we're going to go ahead and wrap it in, once it's completely covered like this, we're going to wrap it in saran wrap and refrigerate it. It needs to be refrigerated for at least about an hour. But then once you get ready to serve it, you want to let it sit for like 10 minutes and then it'll soften up. It looks like this. You can see all these wonderful flavors here in the cheese ball. Serve it with crackers or pretzels. It's really a great appetizer and perfect for, summer or fall, entertaining, or just to have around for Labor Day. That's a tropical roasted pecan cheese ball.